Hi there, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing some more work in the art journal. So I've got this lovely art journal with really nice rag textured paper, and we're going to be using some Kuretake paints. The colours that I'm using today are ultramarine and cerulean blue, rose madder and cadmium orange and yellow, and I've got a selection of brushes here. And I've chosen to use the smaller of the brushes. So this is a mindful exercise, a little bit of concentration. All you're doing is mark making onto your book and using different colours, just utilising the spaces in between the marks you've already made. It does take a little bit of concentration, this one, but I think it's quite good for the mind to have a little bit of concentration and try and get these marks in between these other marks. So alternating the colours and going round in a sort of circle round the original pattern and just putting these marks down, and then washing the brush in between and then grabbing another colour and then putting that as a layer to go round. So I want to add a layer of blue, but that's sort of as we spread out towards the end of the painting. So I want to combine that into this. So I'm just using the yellow, the orange, the pink and the red at the moment. I also wanted an off-center design, but you may want something that spreads out from the center. It doesn't really matter. I think either will look really pretty. I just love the way the paint sits on these rag pages. So lush. It really sucks up the paint from your brush, and it has a really nice texture. The Kuretake paints sit really nicely on this page. So just moving around as I can, and you can see it's just a matter of layering up. I'm really concentrating, just so in the moment, nothing else really matters, and just getting these layers of paint down. I love a bit of mindful painting when you're just in that moment, completely lost in the colour and the pattern. So starting to incorporate the blues into the pattern. It's just a matter of putting a few little marks down and intermingling with those pinks and yellows. I've listed in the description all the items that I've used, so if you get a little bit stuck, you can refer to that. So continuing on, going round and round in circles and just building up the picture. And I really love the way this is starting to look. So I hope you like this, and if you like this, maybe you'll consider liking and subscribing, and maybe you'll leave me a message and let me know how you get on. I'd love to hear. I love the way this has turned out. I love all the lovely colours, and I love how tricky it was to try and get those marks in between each other. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and thanks for coming along the journey, and hope to see you again soon. All right then, bye.